Okay, so it's taken me like 3 tries to make this video, so I'm just gonna make this video as simple as possible. Now, full disclosure, Neewer did send me this light. This is the FL100C 115 watt light panel. Totally flexible, portable, bendable. Comes with everything you see right here, plus a grid. C-stand not included, but power module comes with a V-mount adapter plate on the back, which is amazing because most of these lights that come out now, you have to buy an additional V-mount adapter plate for these lights, but this guy came with one, and that's what we are running off right now, is a V-mount on the back of the power module, so I can pretty much move this wherever I want because we're not plugged into the wall. It's totally portable, and you can put it into places where you can't put any ordinary lights, especially with a diffusion attached to it. Now, we have a diffusion material on the top here. As I said, this does come with a grid. I'm just going with the diffusion cloth just to make it simple. Softens the light a little bit. It comes with a nice long cable to go to the power module, so if you have it high up there on a boom arm or C-stand, whatever, you have the ability to bring the power module down onto one of the knobs of the C-stand, and it's still able to attach onto the C-stand without, rigging something out. One thing I like about this light as well is the LCD screen on the power module is huge. I can actually see the brightness and the settings that I am in right now, and I'm at level 9 brightness of right now of this light panel lighting me. Mind you, I have a few other lights in here, but this is my main light giving me that soft, moody glow that's happening right now. And also this tube light right here just for some fill. We can also go into the Neewer app and control this light and do all the cool special effects that this light comes with, which is like over 8 or 10 special effects. And we can, access this light in the palm of our hands through the Neewer app, which is awesome, easy to connect to. One thing that kind of got me a little confused is the name of this light, FL100. Even though it's 115 watt, I think, they should have named it FL115 to give it that 115 watt. But full disclosure, this is 115 watts of brightness or power that this light panel can give out. Also full RGB, light gels. There's a lot of cool things that this light can do. One reason why I've always wanted a light panel is just for easy overhead lighting like what we're doing right now. Now, like I said, we can move this light anywhere we want. So I'm gonna just grab my C-stand. I'm gonna bring this over here, and I am going to move this C-stand up a bit, just so if I am talking, we can have it directly above me. I'm just gonna grab my director's monitor over here. Actually, I don't mind just that look right here. We have like a nice top ceiling light. Most of this type of lighting happens in like scary movies type of thing, just because it gives us like that dramatic look. But if we want, we can also go ahead, turn these guys off. I just feel like this light is very simple to use if you are in one-man band, solo filmmaker, and you need a nice bright light, soft diffusion. What I can also do is bring this just up a little bit more. And now what I'm gonna do is go into the Neewer app. Very easy. As soon as this light turns on, the Neewer app pretty much loads our light into the app. We click on the light, and now I am able to adjust my brightness. This is like the look that is very, not hard to get, but it's not easy to get with other lights because we have to add the light plus diffusion. Now, when we add the diffusion, we're probably adding like an octabox, which is gonna be adding, a lot of room to our spot, and then plus weight. With the Neewer FL100C, it's light. We have like a 1.5 or 2x2 diffusion light, And it's very easy to put into spots. As like right now with the C-stand, I can just boom this up. We have a nice overhead light. And you know, this is good enough for, you know, making YouTube videos, short films, something where you need a fill light, or even something where we just need to add a little bit of a hair light. But in this case, I'm using it as my main light because this is 115 watts. This is very bright for a small little panel like this, especially with all the cool effects that we can do. And we're gonna go through some of the special effects, even though I said I wasn't going to, but I feel like some of these are pretty cool that we just have to show. This one right here is a hue pulse. The one that I really like is the cop car, because, you know, this looks legit. You know, there's candlelight, CCT loop, interior TV screen. So if we are watching TV, we can actually speed up the light pulsing to make it look like a real TV. We also have an effect where we can match to the music. The light doesn't turn on or do its thing unless I'm talking. So this light is actually listening to me talk, and it's making the flashes of the light go with my voice. So I'm not gonna say anything for a second, and we're gonna see the light not turn on or do its thing. But now when I start talking, the light is gonna be moving with my voice, which is pretty cool. So if we have fast music, this light is gonna be going boom, 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 boom. As you can tell, it's already doing it. All this stuff is cool, but I'm just gonna use this for like something like this. I'm gonna actually use the color picker to match the light color and see how good we can get it. There. So right now, this is actually supposed to be matching those practicals. And when we do the color matcher effect on our phone, our camera pops up and then we point it to that color. Now, the price of this light, I'm gonna have a link in the description below for you guys to take a look at if you are interested. Like I said, power module, full V-mount capability. We also get the cable to plug into the wall, but for me using this light here in my little office studio, I like to be able to move my light around and light wherever I want without having cables, and it's a little cleaner. This is the bag that the light comes in. So all of this, cable, power module, grid, the bracket for mounting, fits inside this small little bag. It comes with nice padding material, so you don't have to worry about your light getting damaged or anything like that. And actually, there's actually room in here for you to put a V-mount battery, which I have been doing, and I've been using the Neewer V-mount battery for this light. I think I've been using the 212 watt. And I've been having full battery for quite some time now. And the cool thing about it is it actually gives us the battery indicator on the top right of the actual screen here. So yeah, if you guys are interested in picking up this light, I'll put a link in the description below. Also, if you guys have been using this light or have any questions, link them down in the comments below, and we'll see you guys on the next video.